Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Al-Jawaheer. I want to unboxing a product. It is Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z. The processor is chipset Qualcomm MDM9307. This Mi-Fi supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and support up to 32 users connection together. The battery is 3000 mAh. It has wireless storage function to share music, videos, and files with Wi-Fi connection. There are three colors: blue, brown, and black. It has 4G network, so the speed is faster. The price is 339,000 rupiah. Okay, I will open this Mi-Fi. Open the box. The color of this Mi-Fi is black. The set is cute and the design is elegant and flexible. In front of the Mi-Fi are the power button and 4 light indicator. 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicator for battery on the left, indicator for wireless on the bottom, indicator for VPS on the right, and indicator for signal on the top. And the inside of the Mi-Fi are 1 slot micro SD and 1 slot for smartphone card. On the right of the Mi-Fi is VPS button, and under the Mi-Fi is port charge. Okay, next I want to compare two products. There are Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z and Mi-Fi Andromax M5. Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z is cheaper than Mi-Fi Andromax M5. Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z is similar to Mi-Fi Andromax M5 for the sharing connection. The battery capacity of Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z is smaller than Mi-Fi Andromax M5. Mi-Fi Andromax M5 is more elegant than Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z. Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z is shorter than Mi-Fi Andromax M5 for the warranty. Okay, that is unboxing Mi-Fi Andromax M3Z. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.